Today is a beautiful, beautiful Monday. It is so pretty outside. It is pretty and hot outside today. So I am like, I'm not in the mood for wearing a lot of makeup in the summertime. I never was that type of girl. If anything, I just do a little concealer, a little blush, my brows, of course, like fill them in, and then mascara and a setting spray. And that is it. Because I am a girl that sweats. I love light, airy looks. So even like my outfits, I love a little sundress, I love a little like breezy pant, a white simple top. Like that is the vibes for the summertime. This whole vlog is giving what we need this whole summer to look like. Ooh. I went ahead and put my hair up into like a little claw clip because girl, it is so hot outside and I don't want my hair down while I'm working and then my back be sweating. So I put on my little outfit and this is what I'm gonna wear today. This dress is from Walmart. I love how this little detail right here is because you see, it got material girl, okay? And it actually holds the boobs in place. And I love how flowy this is. It's not too, you know, is it pockets? Every time I discover that something has pockets, I'm just like that much more in love with it. So love, already loved it, but now I love it even more. And this is like the perfect fit to like dilly-dally, but also do some work and be comfortable outside. So I'm gonna have a good day because I'm just like, this is a perfect dress for today. And I'm gonna match it with some yellow. So I put this little bag on with it. And then I'm also wearing these like little yellow sandals. And then, can you see the sandals? I'm just gonna put on these little like yellow sandals with them just to add like a little pizzazz to it. I could have actually wore these other shoes that I got from Walmart as well. I actually got a couple of things from Walmart and shout out to them for partnering with me on today's video. Shout out to y'all. So these are the other shoes that I was thinking about wearing, but I was like, they're cute, too matchy, you know what I mean? But I love the detail here. I love this detail. I think that is just so different. It's clean, it's minimal, and it's chic. And I love that. And they're really comfortable. Like, do you see that? That padding? You can bend it. According to TikTok streaks, if you can bend it, that means it's comfortable. So you can bend it and it is padding. I also got this dress that I could have wore today, but I don't want to match my picnic blanket. It is green and white, but how cute is this dress? Like the way the back is, girl, it is so adorable and perfect. I love the pattern on it. It is lined in the inside because Walmart knows quality, okay? They know quality and they know they need to line things, all right? Brand is the Time and True. I got it in a large and I also got this in a large as well. Getting very much beach vibes, beach vacay. And then I also got a pack of just plain camis because camis are just so essential for the summertime. So just a plain little cami. I got a black one, a camel color, and then white. Simple because sometimes everything does not need to be a statement piece, you know? This with a cute little short serb leggings, pair some of these, like a white basic cami with that. Like you can just dress up or down. That's why I love having basics. You need a clean white tee this summer. Clean white. Last summer's white tee is dingy. That is everything that I got from Walmart. Definitely check out my description box below. I'll link everything down there for you guys to check out. And they have different colors in this dress, and I believe they have different colors in the other dress too. So yeah, I'll link everything below for you guys because We need like cutesy girly dainty dresses like this. Like this just gives me very chic. Like she's 30. She's 30, but she's cool. She's a cool auntie. That's what this is giving. So yeah, I'll definitely leave everything down in the description box below. I need to go ahead and gather my belongings for going out and working as well as coloring. I have everything here. I have my to-go markers. This is like not my to-go markers, but you know what I mean. These are the small packs. I have the 210. I think it's a 210. Girl, I'm not bringing that big thing with me. So I'm gonna bring the small. This is, I forgot how many markers this one is, but I know this is like 24 markers. And then I'm gonna bring this book with me. You guys, that was so good, minus the hair in my chips. I hope y'all like, did y'all see that? Minus that, the food was still good. And I already got a compliment on my outfit and like how I look today, so I was like, oh, period. A little slight change of plans. As you guys can see, I am like glistening. She's glistening, she's glowing, the edges are up because it's really summertime and it is a heat wave right now. So today, tomorrow, and the next day it's going to be in the 90s, and it is just not good to be outside today, unfortunately. So I'm going to just go ahead and try something new. I'm going to try some matcha. Y'all already know I love coloring, so that's nothing new. But I want to try some matcha lemonade, to be exact. I've tried matcha before. Like, it's okay. I think the creaminess of it is like, I'm not a fan of. So I'm gonna just go ahead and try the matcha lemonade from this place over here, since I'm over here. So I am going to go over here to get the matcha lemonade, and we're gonna try it out together, see if it's good or not. Okay, we are back in the car. It was so hard trying not to drink this drink because it looks so refreshing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. Oh, I don't need that on it right now. Lock my door though. But yeah, this is how it looks. It looks so refreshing. Okay, let's see. I'm finding it, y'all. I'm finding it. Here's the thing. Here's the deal. I'm a coffee drinker. I love coffee, right? Coffee does not taste good unless you add sweetener and da-da-da-da. This does not taste good, but I can see, like, my energy is like perking up. This doesn't have a bitter taste. This is a better tasting matcha than what I have drunk in the past. But I've had Starbucks. That one was good, but that's not like the real matcha or something. It's like, it don't taste like grass. why is it tasting like that? But it tastes like just artificial or something, like crowns or something. I don't know, but that was a no for me. I'm happy that I did try it because apparently this one is really good. The last time I came here, I was scared to try it again because I just was like, I'm not trying to waste my money, you know. But my friend Yana, she had it and she was like, oh, this is really good. Drank the whole thing. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it next time I come here. So yeah, I want to keep that promise to myself. It is done. So maybe that means I like it. I don't know. Alright, so I have finished uploading, so that is done. I had to go through like 2 different exports. So I export from Final Cut Pro and then I export to Handbrake to condense the file because it'd be so big because it's in 4K, all the edits and stuff that I do on my vlogs, and then that compresses it so it can go into YouTube and be quicker. And it was quick, thank God. So that is done. But also a little bit of a hygiene. This little baby right here, if you are a sweaty girl, try this out. This little product is a drying lotion and I used it in the crease of my private parts and I also used it in the crease of my boobs, and I actually really like it. I have this, and then I also have a Mega Babe body dust, which is like a talc free powder, but for me, I don't really like powder when I'm going out because it's like it gets everywhere, and I was wearing black today and I'm just like so definitely recommend that. But right now we are about to declutter because as a girly who likes to stay organized, actually I want to look through my planner, my 2025 planner, and just see what I need to do this week because today is Monday. The way my desk looks, I need to declutter first. Declutter and put things where they need to go.
Girl isn't about perfection, it's about intention. It's showing up for yourself on purpose and with purpose. And it starts with the basics like hydration. Drinking your water isn't just aesthetic, it's power. Your brain functions better, your skin glows, your energy stays steady. Staying hydrated is how you fuel a body that keeps showing up for your goals. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. But being that girl isn't a solo act 24/7. It's checking in with your friends, making space for their wins and their worries. Real connection keeps you grounded. That brunch date, the FaceTime check-in, that spontaneous walk and talk, it's all part of keeping your soul full. Still, that girl also knows how to stand on her own. Take yourself on that solo coffee run. Go to the bookstore, the museum, the gym alone. Not because you're lonely, but because you're in love with your own company. That's confidence. That's self-trust. That's the kind of energy that pours into others instead of draining from them. So yeah, stay hydrated. Text your girls back. Take yourself out. That girl energy. It's balanced, whole, and radiating from within.
Are you tired already? Are you tired? Let's turn around. Come on. I know it was that hot for you. Come on. We had to stop, and I have my mom coming to get us because this man just told me that there's 2 dogs loose in the neighborhood, and it's a pit bull and German shepherd, which are bigger dogs, and Cooper doesn't like big dogs. I just don't want them to approach, and they're not friendly, and they may be like a pack, and like, you know, when it's 2 dogs and they're in a pack, sometimes they're more aggressive. I'm just trying to look around because at first I was talking to my friend. We did my skincare, caught up with her for a little bit. I'm gonna call her back though because I'm trying to be alert and look around to make sure they don't pop up on me, because he said that they popped up on him. And that honestly is like a dog parent's worst nightmare, is like your dog getting attacked. So I'm so happy he told me that, because I'm like, oh yeah, we're not going to keep walking. No, well, at least keep walking with Cooper, because I am going to go for my walk. Thank you so much for saving Coopy. We did 5,000 steps today. That is so good. Going to continue to work on that and getting 10,000 steps in a day. And I feel like I got 10,000 steps in because I didn't have my Apple Watch on the whole day, so that is whatever. But now the thing is to go to bed. Okay, go to bed on time, because when I be staying up past 12 o'clock, baby, I'm cranky, I'm not productive, I don't want to work out because I'm tired. So what I've started to do is take ashwagandha and taking the Let Me Sleep. Now, since it's a little bit later, I only take 1 of the Let Me Sleep because it will put you to sleep for real. And then I'll take 2 of the ashwagandha just to like relax me for the rest of the evening. Taking that at like 8, 7 is like the perfect time to just really unwind for the rest of the evening. They always say like sleep is important, getting your 8 hours of sleep in is so important, whoop-de-woo, until you get older and you like realize that, yeah, 8 hours of sleep is really important just for everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully it inspired you to just have some new routines and habits you can take along with you for your summertime and just all year round. Like, just do these things, period. Okay, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Definitely subscribe and be a part of the family over here. Okay, you are welcome to this little corner, okay, of coziness, of just self-care, of reassurance, of just positivity. Okay, I don't know about what the other channels are doing, but over here we're positive. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at NaturallySunny, and don't forget to check out my description box for all the links so that you can get the stuff that I got or just find some other cutesy things on Walmart. And I'll have all the other products I used in today's video as well. And I think that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next vlog or video or online somewhere. Bye.